I told you about water cycle in one of the previous module that water keeps on traveling from soil to environment, then to clouds, then to soil again to water bodies. So this forms a cycle in the environment and we call that cycle as water cycle. So water cycle can be defined as the continuous movement of water from the earth's surface and water bodies as water vapor to the atmosphere, and then from the atmosphere back to the earth's surface, maybe in the form of rain, hail or snow. So this cyclic movement of water, that firstly evaporation happens and from different water bodies water moves up in the environment and then it comes back to the land in different forms. That cyclic process, that cyclic movement of water is known as water cycle. So let us try to understand the different processes that are involved in this water cycle. So dear students, the first process that is included in the water cycle is evaporation, and along with evaporation we can also say transpiration also helps. So evaporation and transpiration, they are the two processes which starts the water cycle. As water from different water bodies such as rivers, seas, ponds, lakes, streams, they take up the heat of the sun as goes into the environment in the form of water vapor. And in plants, large amount of water vapor enter in the atmosphere by the transpiration process by the plant. Next comes the formation of clouds by condensation. The process of condensation plays an important role in the formation of clouds. As warm air, it can hold a large amount of water vapor. As we go high up in the atmosphere, the temperature decreases and it becomes cooler. And at greater height, the air becomes so cold that water vapor, they condense and form tiny droplets of water, and these water droplets floating in the air along with the dust particles, they form the clouds. And when these water droplets, they come together to form large water droplets, some large water droplets, they are so heavy that the air cannot hold them or the cloud cannot hold them. They therefore fall down as rain on the earth. However, if the temperature is low of that place, then water droplets, they freeze and they fall as hail or snow. And this coming down of water in the form of rain, hail or snow is called as precipitation process. So in this way, the water, it went from the water bodies to the environment in the atmosphere, and then after going through different processes, it comes again back to the surface of the earth in different forms.